Hi, Mr. Matt. Hello, Jason. Shirley here. Now I am going to our showroom in second floor. Because we used the mentioned that is one speed, faster speed, one hit, faster speed, the piston filling machine. But you also keeping on impressing that you need a easy cleaning one. So I suggest you this machine. Appearance looks similar to the machine in the link, but the link you sent me, that is a piston driven machine, while this machine, it is rotor pump machine. Rotor pump driven. There is no any piston, no any air cylinder inside this machine. All his filling is driven from the hopper by this rotor pump, entire rotor pump. So come here and for filling. So this one, it has two filling function. One is self-suction. You can see the hopper side, that is easy, quick connection. If you do not, for some very fine, like shampoo, like the liquid detergent, you can discharge, loosen here, and take apart the hopper. This rotor pump can self-suction the material to filling nozzles. For one day, if your material is little high viscous, then you can just reassemble the hopper, and the hopper's gravity will be transferred through the rotor pump to filling. As to the most key issue which you are focusing on, that is the easy cleaning. Entire of this machine is cleaning is very easy to adjust. Filling nozzle, easy discharge. Pipe suction, easy discharge, just by the quick connectors. And the hopper you can take away for easy cleaning. Most important things, that is the rotor pump. Entire rotor pump touching your material, that is only this part. So you can discharge, loosen the 4 screw and nuts and take this part away for flushing, cleaning completely, and then reassemble, tighten the 4 screw nuts again. That's all. This part, quick connection, can easily discharge for flushing. This part, loosen for flushing. This pipe, loosen for flushing. Filling nozzle, loosen for flushing. That is very easy, which is more simple, more easy, more quicker, more saving time, high efficiency than the piston machine. And another advantage about this rotor pump filling machine, that is we are just make the entire structure for OEM, ODM, cosmetic factories. The bottoms come here, stop, automatically filling. After filled, the conveyor belt restart running away again. So this is the second advantage. And the third advantage, that is it has no limitation, just like the piston. It can fill both liquid and high viscous products, even like the Vaseline. You know, for Vaseline, the piston, if we do not heat it, we cannot fill. But for this rotor pump, because rotor pump is a high viscous paste transfer pump, so it decided this machine is nearly universal working. No matter for liquid, no matter for cream, it all can work. So this is a very advanced, fast speed machine. We did also make the test trial to fill 200 millimeters the gel, maximum 70 bottoms per minute for our this set machine. Easy using, easy working, high efficiency, 100% suitable for the OEM, ODM cosmetic factories. So expecting your reference on it. And please compare with the normal piston machine.